Hey my friends, and welcome back to another great episode of Pink Tool Girl. Welcome to our new YouTube set, which we're going to talk about a little bit later in another episode. But today, I'm going to be giving you 5 tips on the right kind of paint to paint your furniture in order to do a great makeover. Quick, easy tips, so let's get started. For home improvement advice where we help you save more so that you can do more, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell so that you can be notified each week that we bring great tips for you. So I read some notes down today in order to stay on topic because I could talk forever about paint. I love painting things. I like experimenting with the different types of paint that are available. And when it comes to a furniture makeover, I think that there are some hard and fast rules on a few things, and then after that, creatives and anybody can just get excited and go crazy on it because I don't think that there are a lot of rules. But I did want to start with first, for those of you who are left brain, I'm going to give you some hard fast rules of what I think works or doesn't work. But then for those of you who are maybe jumping in on painting furniture for the first time, I want to give you some sources of paints that I've used and on what surfaces I've used them on, and the pros and the cons to using it in order to help that project last as long as you possibly can. So let's dive into this. Okay, I'm going to start off with what's most familiar with people is spray paint. First, spray paint can come in all the different sheens that regular paint is. You can do matte spray paint, you can do high gloss spray paint, you can do metallic, you can do glitter, you can do chalkboard, you can do chalk. I mean, the spray paint has really, I even saw chalk paint spray paint, which I have not used, but I just saw it the other day at the store when I was looking at some stuff. Spray paint is awesome, but what it's not good at is spraying indoors. I did just spray, I'll show you a picture of this, a metal black, it was a black shelf that I spray painted white, and I tried to do it indoors because I thought, it's not that big. Yeah, it stunk the whole house up. So do not spray paint in your home because it does, it stinks. But spray paint is good for, and if you look on the thing, it says bonds to plastic, woods, metal, and more. And I believe that. This was, I think, $4. I think it was 2 for $7 right now at my local hardware store. So I got a couple because it's really great for lawn chairs. It's great for, I even spray painted this office chair with it. I was experimenting because I didn't want to buy a new office chair, and it worked really good on plastic. I did try it on the leather portion of it. I'll let you know how that is. I'm going to sit on it a couple times to see if it actually dries the leather out. For right now, I just covered it up because I wanted a softer look anyway. But this is really good for fast projects. It really does dry fast, and you can get so many different colors of spray paint now. I'm a huge fan of spray paint, so that's our first #1 tip. So we're not going to talk about a gallon of paint that you would get in order to paint your walls or to paint your exterior of the home. We're going to do that for a totally different type of paint. This is paint that you can do for the furniture pieces you can move in and out and about your rooms, and why you would use paint in order to give them a little bit of makeover to let them maybe have some more life in your home. The second one that we're going to talk about is chalk paint. Now, if you've seen the video before, I've done 2 videos now on chalk paint with painting a piano and painting a nightstand, but I wanted to make sure that I included it in this. First, there's the expensive $38 for a quart, or there's this it's a home decor folk art, and I think I got this one. I think this is who Michaels carries. It's 2 fluid ounces, but it is also chalk paint, and these are great items to use for chairs, for nightstands, for bookshelves, something that you want. It's going to be high traffic, and because it doesn't chip as much. I like chalk paint, especially this one, because it goes on thick. So if you're wanting something to last for a while, I would upscale and do your Annie Sloan's or your Amy Howard's, or a pretty nice quality chalk paint. This is quality chalk paint, don't get me wrong, but I would use this more, one, because it's a smaller size, for frames or for canvases or something that you want a little pop of color. And chalk paint is what I would consider the ultimate matte. There's no shine to chalk paint. So if you want something to have that rugged look or that older look or that vintage look, chalk paint is a great source of paint, and it can go on anything. So I wanted to give you another option, which are metallic paints. They come in the Americana Decor, or you can get them in the 1 and 2 ounces of folk art. And again, every line has them, and you can buy them in small sizes, or you can buy them in a bigger size. This one I think is either $9.99 or $14.99. These run between $2.99 and $4.99. I love these. I will use this fairly often, and if you can see back here on the corbels, I've used them on the frames. I have painted furnitures. I've stenciled walls with this. I've done a chair, 4 chairs around our dining room table. I love this because it gives a metallic, but not looking like metal. I know that sounds weird. So it's not shiny like see your reflection, but it just gives a hint of color with the metallic overtone to it. I love these. I like the blue one and this white one. I use it all over my house. These right here, I use them for specialty projects that I might do, like frames. Again, I do a lot of frames, a lot of stenciling with it because I think it gives a little bit of dimension, and I don't think you can go wrong. I just like them because you can get them in all the different colors. Sometimes I don't need one as big as this, so I can just use it as an accent color. They last forever as well, so I think these are great items to use on your furniture, for especially even like your knobs of your, if you're not going to spray paint the knobs of maybe a kitchen cabinet that you're going to reuse a knob, you could use these metallic items as well. They're really great, just as a little accent, a little bit of pop in your home. So this piece of wood was done with Modern Masters. So it has, what I like about it is that it has a color to it, but then it has a overtone that is metallic. And this, I've used this on my fireplace. I've used this on decor pieces that I've hung outside. It's been rained on, and it's still, I painted a wood fence with it, and it is absolutely fantastic as far as holding up to chipping and weather and things like that. I wanted to show you some things right here. This is spray paint on an old, I use this to serve cookies on. And we put lace on here, but it used to be gold, and I wanted it to be silver because it just matched the decor of the bride that I was helping. And what you want to make sure when you're doing spray paint, so here's a couple different tips. Number 1 tip with spray paint, you do want to make sure it's clean, and you want to make sure it's not wet, and you want to make sure that there are no surfaces that would cause it to bubble. So I have spray painted water fountains, and if it had just a wee little drop of water, you want to make sure that that's dry, because if not, that spray paint won't stick onto it. A high gloss quart of paint. This is expensive, this is about $20, but a little goes a long way. You can use high gloss paint on anything that you want to change I mean really anything. I don't even know if there's a rule to it. As long as you want a high gloss, use it. You can use it on frames, you can use it on wood, you can use it on plastic. I have not used this on plastic, so I'm not sure how good that would be, but you can do this on metal, and it just adds a pop of color. You can see it. I put right over top. I did not prime at all. I just put it right over top of that, and it stuck to it really well, and high gloss just adds a beautiful, so high gloss on a lot of things. Hey my friends, thanks for watching, and if you have a project that you would like to know what paint we would use, I'll gladly answer that if you want to put it in the comments below. I have tried most of these paints on most type of sources for your furniture pieces. There are a few things that I probably wouldn't do. Like I mentioned in the beginning, there are some hard and fast rules that you want to stick to, and then after that, have fun. Be creative, be experimental, and see what you can do. So until we meet again on some more paint projects, stay tuned and make sure you subscribe below.